Hello guys, my name is M. I am just posting a little video here on some of the trades I did. My blog's crypticgains.com. My trading results today were $212 to the upside. That's 512, and I had 2 trades, 2 winners. I'm trading EOTpro.com's NCEP 2.3 signals, only green arrows right now. I'm also going to talk about a different strategy that I'm probably going to implement here in the next couple days. But I just started trading the system about a week and a half ago. I was trading Sim last week, and actually I went into my real account too because I like the system. And I'm using a lot of my own personal discretion in my trading system, my trading plans as well in the system. So 2 trades, 2 winners, and well, let's go ahead and move into that. If you see here, we'll just go to market open. This is ES. Right now, let's see here. Where are we? Pre-market 9:30. Here's market open right here. We were in chop. It's very choppy, very choppy, very choppy. And you know, this kind of told you that we might be heading the upside. 1, 2. We already gapped up, and we're heading in the upward direction. We're above all average, which is an indicator I'm really learning to love as far as a filtering mechanism. Basically, if you're above this indicator takes an average of all these little plot cycles here, and creates important resistance, and it just creeps up with support. It creeps up with the market, and you know, it's a good average. It's very reliable, and you know, one thing too is that it really filters out trades and keeps you on the trend. So that, along with higher highs and higher lows, is something that I've been looking at for trend, and staying and you know, just buying here. You know, a lot of people are shorting here. I'm just buying. Another thing too, this peaked up and came back down. You know, peaked into resistance there, and also told you that, you know, breaking out of these a little bit, you know, it looks like it wants to go higher. This is also lower than, or higher than, the bottom one here, as well as this one here is higher than this one. And you know, at 9:30 you had a lot of red arrows. This is green pre-market. Take that one. So I was looking for green arrows only. The first one we had was right here. I didn't want to take it. It's against trend. This is telling you trend is still really strong, but could be coming to an end soon. You know, but it's still telling you it's strong. You're above here. You're above the averages. This is the first peak. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I waited for a pullback. I took this trade. It worked in my favor. It was a very nice trade, and it's one of the 2 I took. I also took this one because it was barely peaking over here. We had a down move, and you know, this already plotted, telling you trend was over. Volume was slowing down. You know, when this came down here, I figured it's kind of like a double top here. So you know, I went down with that, and there was some sell pressure there, and you know, we went right back towards the average here. We poked here, but I made money on these 2, and those are the only 2 I took for the day. And then I had some other stuff I had to do that I went and worked on. You know, the new idea that's going around in the room right now is Gene, Mark, and Sean are actually talking about is you know, using EOT, the end of trend, as Chelly used to use it back in the day, and she used to do really well using it. You know, one of the things that they're looking at is that we take these green arrows of the average, the all average, and you put your stop below this, 2 ticks below this, or within 12 ticks. So it's 12 ticks or 2 ticks below this, whichever one was less risky. And you know, one thing they were doing is using that, and then using EOT's trend when this would hook or when this would tag here, telling you the trend's over. Either ID or TA would kiss here and, you know, get you out up here. So that's something they were looking at. Also, you can do a hijack when this is below here again, and arrow signals. Put your stop below here. That would have worked out for you. This one would have worked out for you. Here's green arrow at the end of the day. I wasn't even here for trading that, but it's something I wanted to do, but I didn't catch it in time. So you know, that's the idea of what's going on. If you're above the average line, you trade up. That's when you take the trades. Now they have the full details on that system, and I might be implementing it here in the near future. As far as my trading account goes, I can't show you my market graph anymore. It shows 0 because it's already updated for the day. It's already late in the day. So I thought I'd just show you what I've been doing for the week here. 511, today's 512. It was up 212. This is yesterday, and this is the day before yesterday, as I've posted on my blog. This is what I've come up to. So been doing pretty well. This system's working for me. I'm just doing some discretion. I'm missing a lot of the trades too. I'm not taking them all. Being very, very conservative. And the funny thing is that my sim account's been doing better than my trading account, but that's usually expected. As I get comfortable with this system and start implementing some of my discretionary or supplies and resistances, as well as some other things I know about market psychology, and it's actually been working real well. So I like it. I think I'm gonna stick with it here. I've only been trading the system here for about a couple days. I was sim trading it for a while, but definitely getting comfortable with it. So thought I'd let you guys know. Pretty excited. Another thing too is I really am really liking the chat room that's got all these traders in it. It's really becoming like Napoleon Hill's mastermind group, and that's really what it's becoming. So it's really it's astounding of all the ideas that get thrown around in there, and it's helping everyone's trading. So stop by if you guys want to, but I'll keep posting here and letting you guys know what I'm doing. So you guys go ahead and take care. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.